Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is all about reviewing eyeshadow palettes, so stay tuned. Okay, you guys, this is about me wanting to use the eyeshadow palettes that I have in my collection. So every chance that I get, I'm doing a review series on the palette. Sometimes I'll come on where I have the eyeshadow already on and I'm just telling you about the product. Other times I'll actually film on camera. So today this is about JUVIAS Place. This is the Warrior number 2 by JUVIAS. Love this, and it says Amazon. Okay. And then this one here, I'm using both of these palettes. I got them at the same time. This is the Tribe by JUVIAS, okay, eyeshadow palette. So I'm trying to go in with kind of an orange look. This may come out looking a little red on camera, but I'm actually wearing like orange blush and lipstick. So what I want to do first is just go in with my transition shades. I'm going to attempt to name the shades, but not so much because it's going to take forever. But this is one. This is the Tribe by JUVIAS palette, which is 9 colors, just very vibrant and beautiful. And this is the Warrior 2. Gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to start. Pretty much I'll give my disclaimer like I do all the time. The brushes that I'm using are pretty much all by Morphe. Okay, let's see. Now, right, I'm just going to go in with Kanya. And like I said, I may or may not be able to do all the names because I don't want this to be an hour-long video, but it could. Okay, let's see. Using this in my transition as my transition color. Little or no fallout. I mean, the pigmentation on this product is unbelievable. I love this product. I've been using them, I mean, probably for about 2 years now. I heard about them on Nikki Tutorials video. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with, like I said, I'm not going to pronounce these names. I don't know them. I don't know all of them. And it'll just take a long time for me to try and figure that out. Okay. Get my handy dandy mirror here. Goes on effortlessly, little or no fallout. I'm telling you now. And the pigmentation is phenomenal. I love, love, love this product. I've been using it, as I said, for about 2-3 years now. And it's just that the pigmentation is amazing. It really, really is. Okay, so then I'm going in with another, it's like an orange. I'm going to be oranged out today. But if you could see how vibrant these colors are, they're just gorgeous. Ah, gorgeous. I thought it would be a nice look, kind of to just try out these palettes and actually use them. I've paid for them. I might as well use them since they're in my collection, right? Hello. And as I was saying, you know, you just seem to gravitate. I was gravitating towards 2 palettes and that was it. And not really utilizing the colors and the hues that I love. So we changed that today. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. So just to kind of round this all out. I'm using sort of a, it's not a rust, but it is a brown, but a very light brown on the outer corners of my eye, just to kind of round this out a little bit, give it a little bit more definition. Okay, nice. Oh, I love it. I'm loving it, loving it. I'm just taking on another coat of this brown. Like I said, I love this brand. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I'm going to go in with the MAC, the Soft Cure, the Pro Long Wear Paint Pot. And this number is A19. Okay. Take my little Morphe brush, bend it out a little bit. I do think it's important to use the products that you have because they don't last forever. And if they're just going to sit on your shelves or in your drawers, that's not helping you. And quite frankly, whether you got it as a sponsored product or a gift, you still have it. So you might as well use it. That's my philosophy. Okay, I gotta just look a little closer, make sure it's nice and smooth. Okay. And what do I want to do? I don't know what I want to do. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know what I want to do. Okay, so let me see. This is pretty. Okay. I'm going in with like an orange glitter. It's so beautiful. Well, I guess it's not really glitter. It's more of a shimmer. And just kind of blending that out on my lid. Oh, I love it. I'm telling you, little or no fallout in this entire palette. Like none. Like none. Whoa, I'm loving it. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with just going to blend it a bit so that it smooths everything out. Okay. Simply gorgeous, this palette. I kid you not. I'm not saying much because I'm just in awe about the colors on my skin. Okay. And I'm taking the same shades and going underneath. It's pretty. It is so pretty. Wow. Just gorgeous shade. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay. Okay, so that's the look. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do my liner, mascara, and lashes off camera, and I'll be back. So this is the final look of me using JUVIAS Place, the Warrior 2, and also the Tribe by JUVIAS Place. Oh my God, I love this. I was going for kind of an orange spring look. It totally gave me what I'm looking for. The colors in these palettes are phenomenal. Little, I mean, not even little, no fallout whatsoever. The pigmentation is spot on. And I'm so glad I'm doing this, where I'm actually using the palettes that I have and telling you guys about them. So check them out. And then, so I went in with my eyeliner, lashes, mascara, and I kid you not, it's really, really pretty. It's a beautiful color, nice for spring, nice for even an autumn night. And I just want to let you guys know I have on Jacqueline's Beauty lashes. They're in number DV01. I love these. Check them out. So you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to click the JB and subscribe to this happy little family. Click the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And of course, check out Jacqueline's Beauty blog. Thank you guys so much. Leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts on JUVIAS Place. I love this brand. I mean, I have not had a brand that I felt so good about. And the shades look so great on my skin tone. Well, thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.